Okay, this video here is for the guys that are going to be sending us their transmission for our rebuild service or just to do the back cut stuff. We just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Harley Davidson does have full cassettes that you can buy, but they're not completely full like they used to be. I know other people's channels, they've done this, I'm pretty sure, but we just want to let our customers know that when you purchase a full cassette from Harley Davidson now, it does not come with your shift drum or your shift forks or the fork rods. It's pretty bare and it does come dry. But we got the part number here for you guys. It is 350002388A. You guys can order that transmission from your guys' local dealership. Just keep it boxed up. If you need help with the shipping label, let us know. We would be happy to help you out with that. Send it over to you. And all you have to do is just stick it on the box and take it to UPS. But anyways, guys, we just kind of wanted to give an update like that. This has been a thing now for at least probably 8 months or so. But for those that don't know, that is the part number for a brand new cassette from your Harley Davidson dealership.